In this video, you'll learn how to create a voice that resembles Optimus Prime using the ElevenLabs text-to-speech model. By following the steps outlined, you will be able to generate a deep, powerful, and commanding robotic voice that captures the essence of this iconic character. Begin by navigating to the ElevenLabs text-to-speech interface. Ensure that you are using either the ElevenLabs V3 or multilingual V3 model for optimal results. Once on the main screen, locate the voice selection area. Here you will need to choose a deep male voice that has a neutral or narrator type quality, as these work best for achieving the desired tone. After selecting the appropriate voice, you will see a text input box. In this box, type the exact text that will help you create the Optimus Prime sound. The text to enter is very deep, powerful, calm, heroic robotic voice, slow and commanding metallic tone. Following this description, add the lines, Autobots. Pause for a moment, then continue with We Must Stand Together, and pause again, concluding with Freedom is the right of all sentient beings. Make sure to include the pauses as they are critical for delivering the commanding presence. Next, click the Generate button to produce your voice output. Once the generation process is complete, listen to the playback. If the voice does not sound deep or epic enough for your liking, you can enhance the description for a more commanding effect. To create a stronger voice, modify your text cues to read resonant, heroic, robotic leader voice, metallic, authoritative, slow. Again, include a pause at the beginning, followed by Autobots. Roll out. This adjustment will help emphasize the deep and authoritative characteristics of the voice. When crafting your output, remember to incorporate the important traits that make the voice effective. Focus on making the voice deep, calm, wise, and commanding with a robotic or metallic quality. Maintain a slow pacing throughout your delivery. It is also essential to use short, powerful sentences and to include pauses between lines for dramatic effect. Avoid fast speech, emotional shouting, or casual language, as these do not align with the character's quiet authority. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.